Lesson 3.9, problem solving. Now for this lesson, there's not really a new skill, but I just want to show you again how we can use a technique or strategy to solve word problems. So let's look at this. We got a nice map of the lower central part of the United States with Texas in the middle. If Mary lives 44 miles outside of Dallas, how many miles does Brad live if he lives 10 times as far? So what I did first is I drew a picture. Sorry if it's not quite accurate, but it's the best I could do on short notice. And I said, here's 44 miles. This is how far Jenny lives. So Brad lives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times as far. So I made that same distance 10 times. And he lives way out past New Mexico, even into Arizona, which is not true. You can drive for 440 miles and stay inside that state. That state is huge. So let's look at some things. First off, what do I know? This is the first question you should ask yourself, is even before you do anything to solve it, what is the question telling you? Well, we know that Mary lives 44 miles and Brad lives 10 times further. Next is when we ask ourselves, well, what is it asking? Because remember, a lot of times we might find out that there are two questions that it's asking. This one's only asking one. It's how far does Brad live? Then once you know what it's asking and what you know, how do I solve it? Well, if I want to know what 10 times further than 44 is, I need to multiply them. So I do 44 times 10. It's real simple because 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. So then I move to the tens column. Remember, when I move to the tens column, I have to start with a 0 over here. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So I have an answer of 440 miles. This is how we use our problem-solving strategies to answer word problems. What do I know? What is it asking? How do I solve? And what is my answer? If you have any questions, we'll be working on this all day tomorrow. I'll see you then.